This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Models, welcome to issue 111 Optimus Prime. This is the start of the final stretch. We're going to be and doing some more of the arm and things. So yeah, Jack Burns, who we're looking at. Don't know who he is. Sentinel Prime. The Legend of Optimus Prime. If you want to read all about that, you can obviously pause. Need to do to read all of the words. The WFC trilogy. The War for Cybertron. There we go. That's the trilogy. Prime, yeah. Ultra Magnus. This is a different version. I assume this modelling is probably exactly the same as this one. Yeah, just a different colour scheme. And obviously a different... Mirage Amiga Supreme. This is what we're building today. We've got a part of the rat arm to assemble. The little thing. What does it say? It's just a barrel. Okay. So yeah, that's the easy bit. Those already that we haven't attached yet. But then we get to attach the friction discs and the into there, which is then attached in place. So we've got one leg attached by the end of this. And that's how it will look so far. We've got a little bit more shoulder and attaching all the parts. As far as I can tell, in each of these next 4 or 5 episodes, until we're good to go, episode 115 will be finished. By the way, let's get this barrel thing built and attach a leg. Those yet, or that, I think that's the screw to attach the leg. I was expecting a bigger me bolt things out, but I don't think I need those today. First of all, we are going to assemble this. Got the barrel piece, which has that to go on one end. I don't know if it matters which end. I think that's pictured that way round with that on that side. That on. Then that goes in there. Does have a small hole there and a pin there, so you've got to get that lined up. Then that will go all the way in there. Good. This attaches to there. Oh, and it's got that little cover piece over there. Okay, so that on there like that on there like that. Then that attaches on there. Screws. So that's there. And on there like that. Then that goes over there. Again, there needs to line up. Go on, I thought I had it lined up in the right sort of place, but apparently I didn't. And a little catch in there. So that should be just there and just there. There we go. That's that. And then that piece goes on to there. Looking like that. There we go. So that's that ready to be put aside. In the leg and the body. So let's bring those in. Here we go. The body is here. We've got these 2 pieces to attach a leg that we're installing. So that will go in there on the other side in exactly the same position. Be holding there. It might. Just might. It might not though. Maybe not. Don't think that needs to be a particular way round. They're both the same size. Oh no, maybe there is a position for it. No, I don't think that's holding in there. It's on there like that. The trouble with this is there's nowhere to hold it because it's all over the place. So that's the leg here, and basically that slot needs there, which has already got a position to be held through the back of that there, which I've got the screw there ready, but somehow I need there. So let's try getting that positioned on there. Yeah, this is going to take a lot of manoeuvring. So let me figure out how to get that together on there, and I'll get the screw in and we'll see how it looks. I did in fact add a touch of glue to the two discs to hold them in place, much easier. But that is now attached, the screw is in, this leg is on all the movement that it could possibly want. He's obviously not going to stand up with just the one leg, but I think it's to attach the other leg as well. So I'm not sure where that's meant to line up with either, but once we get the other leg on and I can actually stand him up. So for now, that's another issue closer to the end. Got a bit there that I nudged a little bit, but look at it. Plug back in the right way round. It's trouble. Little loose bit, well, not loose bits, but little movable bits moved around. I have broken one of these, but I do see that there is in fact a spare one in the last issue. So interestingly, that's the thing that must well get broke. Use a windscreen wiper as well, so I've made one up, so it's close enough. It's not original one the other side, but it does the job. You wouldn't notice unless you there we go. That's that. It feels like there's something missing from there, but there isn't. That's how this front of this looks. There you go. So that's that. Another issue completed. Join me next time for one thing and attaching the other leg. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.